Do you know you can actually delete your call history in Google Meet? So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on Google App, then make sure you go to Meet. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to Course. The next thing you need to do is to simply select the contacts that you want to delete their call history. I'm going to select this contact right here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then right here, we need to make sure we click on Delete Meet Calling History. Click on that. And the call history is going to be simply deleted. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.